The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you need some help, feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. Thanks for watching.
Hello, I'm Gene Nassif, an attorney here at O'Flaherty Law. My practice areas include business transactional matters as well as some landlord-tenant issues. I practice here in the state of Iowa. Now, today we're going to talk about foreign businesses doing business within the state of Iowa. In order for an out-of-state business to do business within the state of Iowa, they need to qualify or register their business with the state. This following analysis covers the general rules of how to qualify as an out-of-state business and how to do business within the state of Iowa. Now, what is a foreign business? In Iowa, if your business, specifically an LLC, is formed in another state, it is considered a foreign LLC or a foreign business. This means that it's been created under the laws of another state. In contrast, a business formed within Iowa is considered a domestic business. What is transacting business in Iowa? Now, these rules only cover those transacting business within the state. Under Iowa's LLC Act, Iowa Code Chapter 489, a foreign LLC is required to register in Iowa if they are transacting business. Now, the exact definition is somewhat murky within the statute. However, Iowa law does cover and provide a general overview of what this means. Foreign LLCs have to collect sales tax, which offers some guidance. Additionally, under Iowa law, a business must have physical presence or a nexus in Iowa in order to be required to collect sales tax from residents. Generally, this means there needs to be a warehouse in the state of Iowa, a store within the state of Iowa, an office in the state of Iowa, or a sales representative within the state of Iowa. There are some general exceptions, specifically with the growth of online sales. Generally speaking, if you have a location or a sales rep in Iowa, you need to register. Now, what activities are exempt from these rules on foreign LLC registration in Iowa? Iowa's LLC Act states that there are certain activities that explicitly do not count as transacting business in Iowa. This includes dealing with internal LLC affairs, such as a business meeting, having a bank account within the state, selling through independent contractors, defending or settling a lawsuit, having an office, agency, or people in the state handling the securities of the business, selling through independent contractors, securing or collecting debts, creating interests in property, conducting an isolated transaction that is completed within 30 days, and finally obtaining orders that will be completed outside of the state. Additionally, the Act states that owning income-producing property in Iowa does not constitute transacting business within the state. Put simply, if you're a landlord and you own a rental unit within the state, this doesn't count. Now, in order to do business within the state of Iowa as a foreign business, you need a certificate of authority. To register a business in the state of Iowa, you will need to file an application for a certificate of authority with the Iowa Secretary of State. A copy of this document can be found at the Iowa Secretary of State's website, and it can be also filled out through the online portal and submitted. For information requested, it's very similar to registering an LLC. They need the name of the LLC, any additional names you would like to use when conducting business in Iowa, the state where the LLC was formed, the duration of the LLC, the name and information of registered agents within the state of Iowa, a statement that the agent and office are in compliance with Iowa Code, a statement regarding the LLC being a series LLC if it is a series LLC. If you have a series LLC, you'll need a statement regarding the debts, liabilities, and obligations within that particular series. Finally, you need an authorized person's signature from the business. You must include a certificate of existence or the equivalent document with this application. In other words, this is proof that you are registered in the state that you are domestically in. This should be issued by the state you're registered, although things can be different depending on what state you're in. The fee for registering is $100. Finally, I want to address the consequences for not registering in Iowa. The penalties for not registering a foreign LLC in Iowa can be very harsh. If you conduct business without authority, the state of Iowa can bring a lawsuit against you. Additionally, you can face a civil penalty of $1,000 and even be barred from conducting business by the Attorney General. It's worth noting that you don't need to be registered to defend a lawsuit, rather to bring a lawsuit. Finally, if you should conduct your business without registration, that does not relieve you from any debts or obligations you've made in Iowa. As always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to our office. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, and we practice several areas of law. Thanks again for watching.